Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be playing in the Dragon Isle, so let's get into the video. Alright, so the Dragon Isle has just come out for me. You guys have probably already seen me play in it, but for me, I've only played like 2 rifts in it, so this is going to be pretty fun. I don't really know, like, what happens once you get an orb yet. I'm going to try to get one this episode, so yeah, let's see what happens. So one of the things that I'm really starting to actually notice now is the rifts are actually starting to get a little harder. They did start on like level 25, the pets did, but now the ones I just battled were on level 65. Let's see what level these ones are on. So these ones are also on 65. I think it probably gets harder as it does get harder as you go along. But I don't know, like, at what progression. I wasn't expecting it to already be at 65, and I've only done, like, 2 battles. And also, they put a time left. So, like, now there's a time left thing up here, which is sort of interesting. Because they're, like, making you rush to make your decisions on stuff. So, we are going to use Starbit. I don't really think I'm going to show many of the rifts, because that's not really interesting. It's really just you doing a battle, and yeah. So I don't really think watching the rifts would be that interesting, so I'm not going to show it. I will, like, show if anything interesting happens, but yeah, let's go ahead and do this one because we got good astral pets. Or actually, we don't have good astral pets. It's really annoying that you can only use, like, the pets once per time. Oh, that's why we're not able to, or why the thing is going so fast. It's because we have this thing. You have a time limit to select your spells, 8 seconds. It's plenty of time. Hopefully we don't get that a lot, like, if we're actually doing an important battle against, like, a dragon or something. Also, the lucky loot, it's all just coins for now. You can't get a dragon orb from it yet. I do want to read something, because it might, like, show us how to get the dragon keys, or dragon orbs. So let's go ahead and go back into the portal, and it says find dragon orbs in rifts. So I'm hoping that, like, once we get to this, it'll finally let us get one of these. So that's our thing, and I don't really know which one I want to go for. Enemy physical spells do 20% more than enemy teams. Units have higher defense. Yeah, let's do that one. And also, these rifts are starting to get a lot harder. We're on level 80 right now. It's not really a threat at all yet. But I really do wish that it would just, like, let me have my pets set. Because I would love to use Regalaxy, but I can't. Unless I want to just go scroll down and find it. So I think Regalaxy is, like, the only pet that you can't get from the Dragon Isle. Like every other one you can. I didn't think you were going to be able to get Scarrow, but you are. I saw that, like a few days ago. But I don't see it anymore. I probably also want to get Magma Igneos, because I did get Stormy Squawks already. I do want to get Magma Igneos because I don't have that, never have, and it's pretty cool. I would also love to find Lumi Bolt. I think that's what it's called. I can't remember. Let's go ahead and that is expensive. But we got plenty of Magicoin. Plus, the next treasure trash is gonna come out in a week. I have Ultimate membership for the next year, so I should be good. And we actually just got the Coral Crown. That is pretty rare. I would love to get a Cronus, but I don't think that's gonna happen. We'll see what happens. It's probably not going to happen though, because I did like 1,000 battles and I didn't get it, so maybe I'll get it from this. So that is another rift done. I'm a little interested, a little concerned. What's this? Okay, we can get the Glacial Ward. There are like a bunch of really interesting things that you can get from this. I want to see what happens once I get all of these filled out, because I'm about to do that. I also want to get Omprinkle, sort of. So I probably didn't choose the best pets for this rift. I don't know what happens if you lose one, but my pets aren't that great. I shouldn't lose, or else I'm like bad at the game. Definitely win this one, but I gotta make sure that I like more strategically do my pets later, like when the pets are on like level 100 and stuff, cause that could be a little scary. I also sent an email to the guy that got me early access to Dragon Isle. I did ask him like about some of the rewards that were in the trailer that I have not yet seen in game. Like some of the dragons, they aren't even in the code or anything. And the 5 main elemental dragons, that would be Storm, Earth, Water, Fire, and whatever, or Ice. Those ones are not yet in-game. I did also ask about that because that's a little odd that they're not in the game yet. And the final thing I asked about is Dragon Orbs. You can't get them. I showed myself getting lucky loot, and the Dragon Orbs aren't there. They were there when like you hacked to get into the island. They aren't there anymore. I am curious to see what some of the rewards that we're going to be able to get from the Dragon Rifts are, like as you complete more and more. Because, like, there could be some stuff that's super rare. It's possible that the Trial Masters could be in there. I wouldn't get my hopes up, but I'll have to go ahead and look. I highly doubt it. I'll be playing a lot of Dragon Isle there, so I should be able to like get to a really high spot where I could potentially get to somewhere where they run out of rewards to give me. That's not the one I wanted it to hit. Why did I even use that? I should have just done this. It's excellent. Your team has a chance to miss their spells, 10%. Oh. So we're not in a great spot here. Hopefully this doesn't miss. Okay. I think fire spells are boosted. It's enemies. And then what's this one? All damage dealt by the player's team units is increased by 5%. So this should do a lot of damage. Come on! Okay, miss, 86, 86. That is fine. Don't go for... Okay, we're barely hanging in here. We're almost at an all-out attack. I'm not gonna heal. I really need to put on good armor. Also, Pterosaur isn't wearing any pet gear. Although I might have put it on my normal Pterosaur instead of Bone Pterosaur. So hopefully this hits. There we go. So that is another rift complete. Let's see. No orbs, obviously. We're just getting gold. And not a lot. Curious to see what happens if I like go back and try and do... So yeah, you can go back and do just... Okay, here we go. We can finally get a Dragon Orb. from doing a rift after we do this one. So let's see if we can get a dragon or get to battle one. That would be really cool. I don't know which one I'll get to battle though. Maybe I'll get to choose since like it gave 3, or maybe I'll get to battle each of them. Like they'll give me one of each orb. But either way, we should be getting to battle a dragon this episode. I think I know how this works now. So, we got some hard math, and I can't give myself easy questions. So, this math is going to be very annoying, because I'm going to have to, put each one of them into my calculator, although I did just master it. I don't really know how, because I only did one. But this probably will not take it out. Torrent is very powerful, though. Your team takes less. Oh, that doesn't give me anything or help me at all. Continue to forget to put on good armor. So I think that once we get to the dragon orbs that you have to spin the lucky loot and then you could get a dragon orb. That's what I think happens. So let's see what happens after we finish this rift, because then we'll be able to go to the lucky loot. I also really do wish that there was backgrounds for the dragon rift. This one is sort of just not really super interesting, because they just give you random backgrounds. Okay, what's that? Why'd I do damage to myself? Enemies reflect fire spells back at whoever casts them. So I actually have to pay attention to these status effects now. And status effects actually finally got added to the game. They've been leaked for 10 months. Probably not 10 months. So we can't use fire spells right now. We'll be able to use it next rift. Maybe. So there we go. Okay, we can get a dragon orb right here. Hopefully we do. Yes, we got one. So we got the physical dragon orb. I think that means that we can go and battle the physical dragon. My wizard isn't good though, just realized that. Here we go. Here is the physical dragon, and we can see the puppet master and Pippet. So Pippet is saying it's so big. Ho ho, eat a balanced diet and get lots of exercise for your muscles and for your mind, then maybe one day you'll grow up as big as me. No need for that when I can just make your mind, or your power mine as well, dragon. Pippet, tame this beast. Yeah, 0.001. Huh, what is that? You'll never tame me by relying on just spells. So, 99, that is a lot of damage. Wait a second, I remember you tried to kidnap my hatchlings. I might have to come up with a different plan. I'll be back soon and stronger. Just you wait and see. And then we can see the physical dragon laughing. So, yeah. Now we're going to come in. And let's see. Ho-ho, another wizard. Let's see if your magic can match my muscle. I probably should also put on just good stuff overall. Let's see. Does this do 1 damage? 345, good. Okay. Now let's do crunch. 898, that is a lot. And it was a resist. What is this thing? The physical dragon takes increased damage. Why does it take such increased damage? 889, that is really powerful. And the physical dragon fumbled. 345, so we should just have to do one more attack. Your spells are weak compared to my raw power. Okay. Oh, that's a cool attack. And let's go ahead and finish him off with Chomp. 786. Wizards, you lot are nothing but trouble. Are you gonna try to tame me with your puny spells too? No, of course not. Did another wizard try to do that? 2 of them, in fact, although I sensed that the one in the purple robes and hood was much, much more dangerous. I knew it, that's the Puppet Master. We're after him right now. We want to stop his plan to capture you dragons. Puppet Master, you say? Well, his strange little companion cast shadowed magic on me. You need to be super strong to withstand it. Say you're pretty powerful yourself. Maybe we could train together. Oh, I love training, and together we'll both get stronger and be ready for the Puppet Master. Wow, really? Okay, I'm not gonna read this. I'll warn the other dragons to watch out for this Puppet Master. So that was our first encounter with the physical dragon, and there are some boots. Hopefully we can get them. We don't. We got coins instead. Okay, that's exactly what I wanted. So now we get here. We don't get any battle stars. And yeah. So does Newt say anything to us? No, I'm gonna go ahead and put on gear. And I think I'll probably end up the episode here, because I think that was a pretty good way to finish it off by facing the physical dragon. I'm going to try to go daily posting Dragon Isle videos, so hopefully next time I'll face the Shadow or the Astral Dragon. But yeah, make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.